Welcome to Tijuana, Mexico. Here I'm with
Thao.
Now, where are you from, my dear?
Original Vietnamese, but I live in San Diego.
Okay, good. What brought you down here?
My friend introduced me into the Biodental, and it just happened that I had the pain on my heel and barely can walk. So she said, "Why don't go chiropractor?" And I said, "That's how I end up here."
Well, that's cool. Now, what kind of experience have you had?
I at first had a few adjustments, and the pain is kind of like go away, but then it come back, but it's not that severe. It's less than, and now it's almost gone. But I want to complete the treatment for it.
That's cool. So wait a second. So ankle pain, was it from the ankle?
The heel.
Heel pain.
Yes.
Was it from the heel or from the spinal structures? Did we take an x-ray of just the foot, or did we look at the whole body?
Looked at the whole body.
You're kidding. Did we see anything in the other parts of the body?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's the key. So if you have a symptom somewhere, find out why. Because generally, if you're looking at arm, wrist, shoulder, leg, everything, find out why it's there. And because that heel pain was not a heel pain, it was an alarm telling you there was something else.
Something else. I know. When I was in Florida, my friend is she chemist and also masseuse, and she said that you have trouble with the spine. And I said, "Can you fix it?" She said, "I can do it, but take a year to fix it because I don't have the X-ray." So, and when I come back to San Diego, and slowly back pain, and then the ankle and the heel, and I know it flare up.
That's cool. That's cool. So what could you tell people that might have a symptom? Because we look at symptom as not as a problem, but as an alarm telling you there's a problem. Okay, what would you tell? Because the average person, it hurts, take a drug.
A drug is chemical. You put chemical in your body, it doesn't heal.
Really? Chemical deficiency doesn't work?
It covers it numbed for you a little bit for a while, and then it will be back and more severe. That's what I think that is.
Oh, okay. Be careful of listening to this. She says that no one's suffering from a lack of drugs. Okay, I mean, this is just brilliant because when you look at the insanity, here, take this, and no one's suffering from a deficiency of Advil, Motrin, or Aleve, but all these have horrible side effects. Horrible.
Of course, it has side effects because it's chemical, and chemical is not supposed to be in your body.
Where did you come up with that attitude? Was your grandmother really smart?
Because I grew up in Asian culture, and everything, food is important. Whatever you put in your mouth is important. You have to treat your body at a tempo. You don't put toxin in there.
You know what that's called? That's called wisdom. The body is a temple.
Oh, yes.
And there's a stewardship to it. You take care of your body and listen to the symptoms, and then your body can regenerate.
Yeah.
You're really cool. God bless you. And take care of yourself. Take care of your body. There's a stewardship.
That's what I convinced my husband, 82 years. He is a full colonel and stubborn. But I said, no, you have to go chiropractor.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, he's really cool. Okay, and we're working on him.
Yes.
What does he say about this care?
He say, at first he say, I do whatever, I love you, I do whatever you want me to do. I said, no, you have to do it because you have to love your body first.
This is called a good wife. She's taking care of her husband. They say the husband may be the head of the house, the wife is the neck. She turns the head where it wants to go. He's a smart man for listening to her. And if a colonel's going to listen to her, I'm going to listen to her. My wife's this tall and Pakistani, and so I listen to anything Sarah says. Thank you for taking care of the family and yourself. Take care of yourselves. God bless you all.
That's what Buddha say. You don't take care of yourself, how you take care of somebody else.
Yeah, that's wisdom. God bless you, dear. You're amazing.
Thank you.